Hello everyone and welcome back to Queenvarietieschannel. On today's episode, I will show you how to make the best ever oven baked chicken drumsticks recipe. And this we are going to take it step by step. Trust me, this chicken is absolutely and incredibly delicious, sumptuous, amazing and so irresistible. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get instant notifications whenever I upload any video. Kindly like, share this video with your friends, loved ones, or anybody you want to share it with. In today's episode, I will show you how to make an instant oven baked chicken. And already I have prepared all my ingredients. At the same time, you can see that this chicken is neatly cleansed and then washed. This particular recipe, I'm going for 20 medium drumsticks. You can feel free to reduce as much as possible. Okay guys, so I will set this aside and introduce the next ingredient. Here I have my spices. At the same time, I have my bouillon cube and salt, 1 teaspoon of thyme, a little pinch of pepper flakes, combination of black and white pepper. For this, I'm using half teaspoon of black and white pepper, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, oregano and dry basil. For this, I'll be using 1 teaspoon each. See a big quantity of paprika. I'm using 2 good tablespoons of paprika just because I want the chicken to be a bit more colorful. What I have here is a combination of coriander and cumin, and for that I have 1 teaspoon each. Kindly check the description section because I'll be leaving all detailed ingredients there. 1 tablespoon of salt, a pair of KNOR cubes. For those of you who don't know what KNOR cube is, this is what exactly I'm using. So all I did was just to crush it in that plate. Okay, that's all I have here. Going forward, we're going to combine all the dry ingredients together. So I'll just pour in my salt here. So mix until everything is evenly combined. Like I said earlier on, what we are making today is an instant oven baked chicken. So you can actually marinate this for 1 hour, or you can even leave it overnight or many more hours if you prefer. But right now my family is hungry, so we are going for an instantly oven baked chicken. So I will show you how you're going to make this to come out super delicious, even though we are going to make it instantly. Okay, if you don't have time on your side and you still want to enjoy a perfect chicken, this is a way you can make it. All right, so if you look closely, you will notice that the spices I have here is a bit reddish. This is the reason why I used more paprika. The next step is to introduce a very large bowl here because I'm going to transfer all the chicken inside here. Just make sure that after washing your chicken, you will dry it very well. At this point in time, I'm going to apply the spices on the surface. So I'll just take my spoon and scoop in and mix. I'm going to toss this step by step until everything is coated in properly. That way I will know the appearance I'm going to coat the spices step by step until you have your perfect appearance. Okay guys, so once you're comfortable with the appearance that you're having, you have to stop. And this is what I really want to have at this point in time, just because I want the outcome of the chicken to turn out so delicious, since we're making an instantly baked chicken. So I'm going to pour in some melted butter. This is about 2 tablespoons or 2.5 tablespoons of butter, which I have already melted. So I'll drizzle it at the surface of the chicken and then coat. If you don't want to use the butter, you can use any vegetable oil of your choice, olive oil or sunflower oil, whatever oil you prefer, even coconut oil. Guys, take a good look at that appearance. You see I have a gorgeous, beautiful looking, so beautiful chicken. If you have excess spice like mine, you can just store it and reuse it next time you want to do the same type of over here I've got my baking tray. You can see I've lined it with some foil. That way the excess oil is going to get trapped in here. Everything is completed now. I'm going to transfer this to the oven, and these are all the 20 drumsticks. I've laid them here. So now I'm going to transfer to the oven and allow it to bake. During the baking process, the chicken is going to release some liquid in the tray here. So what you're going to do is to use the liquid to be coating the chicken continuously. Alright, that's what I'll be doing off camera. Once again, you're all welcome back. The baking process is completed. Now this is the gorgeous appearance that we are having. Oven baked chicken. Guys, just take a good look at what we have here. It's so crispy and so juicy. I hope you saw when I scooped out the liquid for me. Make sure you scoop out the liquid from the tray, because if you don't, then the chicken will maintain just being moist. And I wanted the skin of the chicken to come out super, crispy. This is the beautiful appearance that we are having right now. The baking process took exactly about 1 hour 10 good minutes, okay, on 150 degrees Celsius. So after 1 hour or after 50 minutes, what I did was to increase the heat all the way down to 180 degrees just to get the crispy skin. All you be doing is to be baking and coating this chicken with the liquid that comes with it. Don't pour that liquid away. You can use it for rice or any recipe of your choice, so you can store it in your freezer or anywhere. But please make sure you saturate the chicken with the stock that comes out of it during the baking process. That's just it. And here we have it, guys. Look at how juicy and delicious. Just take a good look at this chicken. It's too hot, I can't even handle it, so I have to place it here. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Until I come your way next time, stay subscribed for more. Christ Jehovah, guys, the skin of the chicken, the internal layer, my God, I lack words. This is so delicious. So delicious.